Hello everybody! Welcome back to Mommy Talk. It has basically been snowing for 2 days straight. So today we are going to be having a snow day.
Is that in your mouth? There we go. You gonna shuffle that, Shaden? Careful. You're so small, Zuko Bear. Oh, careful. You gonna go diving? And ruined.
Get me snowball. You need snow pants. Look at my snow angel.
This is my snow angel. Right here. My snow angel.
Aww.
Get me.
There's one more. Oh, heck no. You want to mess with me?
What is that? Is that ice?
Oh, no. Don't mess with Mama.
Okay.
Shield. It's my ice shield. Zuko was obviously just hungry. He wanted to come inside, and we haven't cleaned up from breakfast yet. And he just came in and just started mowing down.
This is the aftermath of a family of 6 coming inside.
Alrighty guys, so we had so much fun playing in the snow and then ending it with hot chocolate, and it's been kind of a long, cold Saturday. I'm starting to get a little bit of a migraine and I have quite a bit of cleaning up and stuff I still need to do. But before I go, make sure you are jumping on the subscribe train and hitting that subscribe button, because we are still trying to reach our goal of 1,000 subscribers by the 20th, before the 20th preferably, so that I can still stay a part of this wonderful YouTube partner program and, you know, keep making videos for you guys and everything. I still will continue even if we don't meet that goal, but that is the deadline that is required to still stay a part of the partner program. So we are trying to reach that goal. So hit that subscribe button, share with your friends, make sure you are liking and commenting on this video, follow me on my social medias, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye guys!